Hello everyone, I'm thunderstorm. I'm here to talk to the EBYW officials. Well, my friends, there's a new guy coming into your company. His name is Demon Child, and he will soon be coming to your company. But if you have any questions for him, you come to me. I will answer all the questions for him, because I am Thunderstorm, his manager. Now, if you got a problem with me or my client, come face to face and tell me, because I take no crap from guys who treat people with disrespect. So I'm warning you, if you disrespect my client and you disrespect me, you'll know what will be coming for.